Veidekke operates large and complex construction projects across Scandinavia, and we realized our technology platform needed to evolve. Our legacy IT landscape was costly to operate, less flexible, and made it harder to innovate at the speed we wanted.
We had on-premises data centers, fragmented systems, and hundreds of locations to support. This created operational complexity and a rising cost. At the same time, security challenges and the need for digitalization was increasing. We needed a platform that could support business long-term. Together with Cognizant and Microsoft, we designed and built a modern cloud platform in Microsoft Azure. We have reduced platform costs by around 15 to 20%. Provisioning that used to take months now take minutes, and we have significantly lifted the security. Cognizant played an important role as strategic advisor and execution partner. They helped us migrate out of the old infrastructure and at the same time maintain stability and provided governance.
With the new cloud platform, we were able to experiment and deploy new solutions much faster. An example of that is our tender assistant, where we can review documentation a lot faster and more efficiently than before. We're also exploring a health, safety and environment assistant, which helps us with the safety and documentation on the construction site. These solutions shows us how AI can make us work smarter and more efficiently.
With this digital platform in place, we are well positioned to leverage data and AI across our projects. Our goal is not to add more technology, but to support our people with tools so they can deliver their projects more efficiently, with a better quality and with a safe standard. The transformation has positioned Veidekke to innovate faster and to improve our competitiveness with technology that directly supports the way we build and deliver projects.